For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The political stalemate continues in Rajasthan as Congress and BJP trade charges against each other. Congress claims majority in the Rajasthan Assembly. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot met Governor Kalraj Mishra in Jaipur on July 18th. Ashok Gehlot submitted a list of MLAs supporting him to Governor Kalraj Mishra. The meeting between the Chief Minister and Governor lasted for 45 minutes. Ashok Gehlot is said to have proposed convening assembly session to prove majority. Congress sources say Gehlot is confident of proving majority in the assembly. The floor test is likely to be held in the assembly next week. Congress has asked rebel MLAs to return to party fold. Congress plans to take action against rebel MLAs during assembly session if they fail to return to party fold. Gehlot is said to be keen on proving majority to counter Sachin Pilot and his supporters in the High Court. Pilot and rebel MLAs in their plea argued that party whip does not bind them since the House is not in session. Congress has 107 MLAs in the 200-member Rajasthan Assembly with 101 required to prove majority. The number of rebel Congress MLAs in Sachin Pilot's camp is 19. Congress claims it has the support of 10 out of 13 independent MLAs. 2 Bharatiya Tribal Party MLAs and 1 RLD legislator extended support to Congress. Rajasthan Speaker CP Joshi had issued disqualification notices to Sachin Pilot and rebel MLAs who skipped Congress legislature party meeting. Speaker CP Joshi had issued disqualification notices based on a complaint filed by the Congress. Pilot and his supporters are accused of violating party whip and thereby inviting disqualification under anti-defection law. Rajasthan Congress President Govind Singh Dotasra said some MLAs camping in Haryana will return to party fold. The rebel MLAs who have fallen into the trap of BJP would soon realize their follies. If the MLAs return to the party fold, we will accept them with dignity. The party has full sympathy for them. Former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, who had been keeping mum on the crisis, broke her silence on July 18th.
It is unfortunate the people of Rajasthan are paying the price for dissidents in the Congress party amid coronavirus pandemic. More than 500 people lost their lives due to COVID-19 and the cases crossed 28,000 in the state. There is no point in blaming the BJP for the current political crisis.
Vasundhara Raje has further added that she is with the BJP and committed to its ideologies. The Rajasthan High Court will hear the petitions filed by Sachin Pilot and his supporters against Speaker's notice on Monday. More political developments are expected in Rajasthan based on the court proceedings and verdict in the coming days.